It's finally here. In honor of the new season of Stranger Things, as you guys know, I'm kind of obsessed with Stranger Things. And you might not know, maybe you do. I do Halloween special every single year, and it's Stranger Things themed. Save it for once a year, but that's a special occasion because the new season that just came out. I'm going to be doing a special little giveaway. Let's dive into it.
You know the type of guy that was a jock in high school but ended up becoming a huge nerd? You know, someone that's not afraid to make a fool of themselves on the internet. And someone that likes to shoot Polaroid a little too much. Did I say huge nerd? You know, just an ordinary, everyday guy. Well, that's me. I'm just another Chris.
And you may remember I kicked off my very first ever Stranger Things themed Halloween specials with the review of the Stranger Things edition Onestep camera by Polaroid. I did a full breakdown review of this, and I love this camera. The look that you can get with this one, specifically the Stranger Things one, it's very unique and very cool looking. I honestly love this camera so much. But these are kind of rare, to say the least, and they are kind of expensive if you find one. They're going for several $100+ on eBay. I'm not selling this. I'm gonna give it away for free. I know, it's cool. Since the new season of Stranger Things is upon us, I wanted to do something special for it. I wanted to do a photo contest. Yes, I did one a few months ago and it was so much fun. So to enter in to get this camera, it's very, very easy. We're gonna do a Stranger Things themed photo contest. Yes, it's going to be held over on Instagram because it's going to be the simplest way to do it. So all you have to do is use this special hashtag, JAC, just another Chris, strange. Yeah, that's it. Post your photos on your own Instagram page and I will pick my top favorites and then we'll do several rounds of voting. I usually just do them on my Instagram stories, and that did work great during my last photo contest, so I'm gonna do that again. So if you have some Stranger Things film still left over sitting in your fridge, now would be a great time to use it. But if you don't have any of that stuff, because it's, again, pretty rare and very expired and very expensive, don't worry, you don't have to use that. Use whatever you want. Just have some fun with it and make it strange. Yes, we have the new season upon us, so maybe use some of the new source material in your photos or go old school, mix it up. Just have some fun, whatever you want to do. And again, post these on your Instagram page with the hashtag JACStrange to enter in. And I'm gonna pull my favorites. And it doesn't have to be just Polaroid. It's instant photography in general. Whatever you want to do, just make it instant photography. Polaroid, Instax, you can use any Polaroid camera you want. You can use any Instax Fuji camera you want. You can use lomography if you want to. Whatever you want to do, just have some fun with it and make it Stranger Things themed. And the grand prize winner will get the Stranger Things themed Onestep 2 camera. Ooh, I love this thing. I'm just gonna give it away for free. Am I insane? Yes, but that's a whole other story. So today is the official day that it'll start, and I'm gonna actually run it for 2 weeks. Give you guys 2 weeks to get out there inspired and get something made and put out there. Oh yeah. Until then, I need to get home and get started watching Netflix, so please leave me alone because I got some Stranger Things to watch. I can't wait. See ya. Oh, and get out there. Make some art.